हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू वंदनास ट्यूटोरियल। आज हम करेंगे क्लास 9 इंग्लिश 2.2 और ट्रू स्टोरी ऑफ सी टर्टल्स के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। इसके पहले हम 2.1 तक कर चुके हैं। अगर आपने वो वीडियोस नहीं देखे तो उन्हें ज़रूर से देखिएगा। प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं 2.2 और ट्रू स्टोरी ऑफ सी टर्टल्स के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, जो कि है डाइजेस्ट के। तो पहले हमें दिया है वार्मिंग अप। वीडियो पॉज कीजिए और आप आंसर्स लिखिए। इंडियन वाइल्ड डॉग और ढोल। Then question number 2. Hold a classroom discussion on the following topics and later on expand themes on your own. So points are given here. First है why human beings need to use more and more natural resources. Then second है should we conserve only the most beautiful and most useful things in nature. Points are given. So the next one is what is beautiful or useful? Who has the right to decide that? वीडियो पॉज कीजिए और आप लिख सकते हैं पॉइंट्स जिसको आपको इलेबोरेट करना है। इसके बाद आता है रीडिंग स्किल्स, वोकैबुलरी एंड ग्रामर। सो फर्स्ट वन इज रीड द फॉलोइंग पैसेज केयरफुली एंड डू द एक्टिविटीज। सो आंसर्स आर हियर। कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स। देन पैसेज, complex factual activities, describe the unusual occurrence that the volunteers noticed. Then question number 2, why were the turtles' eggs seen on the beach after it had been sealed to the public? What were the implications? Then question number 3, give the reasons why turtles are being protected in India. Then activity based on vocabulary. Match the adjectives in column A with the nouns in column B. Then activity based on contextual grammar. Underline the main clause in the following sentences. Then personal response. Do you think that we in India look after and nurture the flora and fauna around us? वीडियो पॉज करके आप आंसर्स लिखिए। देन आता है रीड द फॉलोइंग पैसेज एंड डू द एक्टिविटीज। सो इसमें है फर्स्ट सिंपल फैक्चुअल एक्टिविटी, जिसमें हमें बताना था राइट और रॉन्ग। देन पैसेज 2, कॉम्प्लेक्स फैक्चुअल एक्टिविटीज। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द पीपल वर आस्क्ड टू लुक फॉर द एग्स और नेस्ट्स in the morning. Example why. Then the elderly persons had seen the hatchlings for the first time. What does it indicate? Then activity based on vocabulary. Form adverbs from the following words. Then you have to form adjectives. Then activity based on contextual grammar. Then frame WH questions to get the underlined parts as the answer. फिर आता है personal response. Have you seen any turtles? If so, where is? If not, would you like to see? वीडियो पॉज कीजिए और आंसर्स लिखिए। Then read the following passage and do the activities. First one is simple factual activities. Here you have to choose the correct options. तो फर्स्ट वन का है द कोस्ट लाइन इन ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, एंड सेकेंड का है 40 to 50 days. देन थर्ड का आंसर है सेकेंड का आंसर है 15 years. सेकंड का आंसर है 15 years, थर्ड का आंसर है 40 to 50 days, देन फोर्थ का आंसर है 80. You can see the answers here. Then passage 3, complex factual activity. Why was it necessary to undertake turtle protection on a large scale? Pause the video and write the answer. इसके बाद दिया है activity based on vocabulary. Fill in the blanks using the phrases given in the brackets. Then question number 4, activities based on contextual grammar. Pause the video and write the answer. And after that they have given us personal response. List at least 2 reasons why those who had stolen the eggs earlier were involved in the work of protection. Pause the video and write the answer. Then question number 4, read the following passage and do the activities. First one is simple factual activities. Name the following. These are the answers. You can pause the video and write the answers. Then passage 4, complex factual activities. Explain what the homestay families do. Then second is give the reason why the project was entrusted to the local people. Pause the video and write both answers. Then activity based on vocabulary. First है हमारा match the meaning of the following expressions with reference to the passage. So answers are here. Then question number 4, the activity based on contextual grammar. You can pause the video and write the answers. Then personal response. Explain the idea of conservation of nature through livelihood briefly using the example given here. This is your personal response. You can write your own answers also. The next is given language study activities. So simple activities. First you have to make a meaningful sentence using the following phrase. Then spot the error and correct the sentence. Then punctuate the following. Then pick out the infinitive in the following sentence. Then identify the type of sentence. Then find out 2 hidden words from the word organization. Find a verb from the lesson that forms its past and present participle by doubling the last letter. Then arrange the words in alphabetical order. Then medium level activities are given here. You can pause the video and write the answers. Even if you want to read the answers, you can pause the videos. After that, challenging activities is given. Then दिया है writing skills, जिसमें फर्स्ट दिया है form groups, discuss the first 2 paragraphs, try to present their content in the form of a series of conversations between the following. So this is the conversation. Volunteer A, volunteer B, A and B, and C is also there, A, B, C. So this is a conversation. Then B1 is also a conversation between the volunteers and the villagers. So conversation is here. Pause the video and write the answer. Then prepare a short note on sea turtles with the help of information given in the passage. So you can pause the video and write the answer. Then prepare a simple brochure regarding the homestay facilities made available in the villages. Form groups and discuss the points you will use in the brochure. Include the precautions that tourists have to take. This is an example they have given us. Then this is the additional facilities. Then precautions. बच्चों इसी के साथ में हमने 2.2 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स फिनिश किए. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करेंगे हम पोयम 2.3 समबडीज मदर के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. तब तक टेक केयर एंड कीप वॉचिंग वंदनास ट्यूटोरियल. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.